Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you have a glitch that is a big white square that appears on your screen for a few seconds, stays there, but you can't interact with anything on it or in what's in the background. Um, it is something that a lot of people are reporting lately. It looks like this actually. This is a Reddit user that has posted his screenshot and shows that there's that big, you know, white square that's taking quite a good, chunk of the screen. A lot of users have been reporting it, and at first, like people always complain that it must be Windows, but the more there is a examination of the problem, the more users simply found out that it seems to come from Google Chrome. So Google Chrome made a few changes under the hood, and including one that made Microsoft kind of rush things a little bit. Um, One of the components that you removed made the GIFs or GIFs, however you want to pronounce it, uh, pictures or for the emojis not appearing in Windows. And so Microsoft had to basically scramble to have a fix for that. And now the reporting of this white square seems to pinpoint a background process that is happening with Google Chrome, and that it displays this from time to time. Some users say they see it at every startup. Some users say they've seen it randomly, but they can't really do anything to kind of have that happen. So it really seems that there is a little something happening with the Google Chrome browser that's creating that white square. So if you have that happening, shows up for a few seconds, the problem is Chrome. They probably will fix it in a next update. Some people have disabled some of the background processes and say that it seemed to have worked, but not everybody seems to agree on that one. So we'll see. I would guess that Google Chrome will eventually fix the problem. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.